Happy Monday, everybody. Happy Monday, happy Monday. Hope everybody had a good weekend. We did not stream last night. I didn't stream Sunday market session open for Asian session, but we are here today. Again, hope everybody had a good weekend, a good start to the week. We're going to see if we can make some money tonight. A couple setups that I was looking at. We're going to look based off volume first. But as you can see, we've been in a consolidation pattern since that drop off. Since that drop off on Thursday, we've been in a pretty heavy consolidation pattern. That's typically what you'll see after a big move like that. You might see a little bit of retracement, but you have consolidation for 4 days and 7 hours now. 4 days and 10 hours. So a lot of consolidation going on a lot of these charts, which isn't necessarily a problem. We just need to identify when the breakout is and where it's going. So that's what we're going to look for tonight. I do like buys on GBP NZD. This is the hour time frame. The 4 seems to be doing the same. However, I do not like this fair value gap on the 4 hour. But on the 1 hour and on the 15-minute as well, I do like buys here. Moving on, Euro GBP. Go back to the 1 hour here. Euro GBP is kind of ranging. It's on an uptrend. It looks like it's held this zone with this fair value gap right here. But looks like we could possibly buy up to... That's not very many pips. This could be one massive retest. Break a structure, retest, and then come down to here. I would need to see it break below this. But if we did see that, we could look to take sells there just with a simple break and retest of a key zone. See it move down to toward the downside. Possible pips you're looking at there is 20 to 30. GBP AUD also continuing its uptrend. I get rid of these trades from last week here. Got a couple fair value gaps though. This could as well be a break and retest. So if we wanted to draw our new lines on this, you kind of got a zone right there. With that being said, this could be a break and retest here for this to come back down. You're looking at roughly, let's see, break and retest to here. You'd be targeting the 187,500 area. That would be probably the best bet for this one. You can go for 120 pips. Not a bad setup there. Euro NZD, I'm not really a fan of this chart tonight. We're going to unflag that. GBP USD, it is within range on a strong downtrend, but it is within range. I typically don't like trading within this area. This is like the dead zone. We like reversals here and reversals here, but in here is kind of a big no-go. So looking at that, probably not going to touch GBP USD. Let's take a look real quick, though. Forex Factory, we got no news, but it is a Japanese bank holiday. Great British Pound, Japanese, and Chinese bank holidays tonight. Interesting. Good to know, though. Good to know. But sells are possible here. Sells are possible. CHF JPY also in a massive consolidation pattern here, guys. It hasn't really broken this consolidation pattern in about 4 days and 14 hours. So not something that I necessarily love. But it's something that we can look into. Really just not a fan of the bear flag consolidation until we get a breakout. But we keep having higher lows. which indicates that it could be reversing and going on an uptrend up this way to the top of this zone, which could potentially be 204 pips. I don't see that happening tonight, but it could. We're going to unflag that. AUDJPY, same thing. Ooh. Now here's an interesting one. I like the structure of this market right here. NZD/USD. Looks like a nice sell. We had a solid break of structure right here. This was your BOS right here because it broke through the zone. And then you had it come up and retest right here. And now we'd be looking toward the downside, which would be... that'd be your low point. That would certainly be your low point right there. So if we were to look at taking sells on this, you'd be looking at possibly... What's up, man? How are you? Ekpedemy, what's up, man? How are you? 50 pips. Could possibly go for 70 if it goes to the bottom. 75. Not a bad sell. Bearish on all fronts here, too. Not a fan of that right there on the 4-hour, but on the 15-minute, pretty strong consolidation right there in between fair value gaps. So, glad to hear, man. Thanks for joining. Henry, what's going on, man? How are you? I know volume's a little low, to be quite honest with you, but we just had the open, so. That is quite a strong support right there. Volume is just eh. A lot of these charts are just in like consolidation patterns, to be quite honest with you. We're looking at a couple charts. Just trying to decide what's not in a consolidation pattern, because I don't want to get stuck in one of those. We don't typically trade that. Like, all of these are just in consolidation. Like, a lot of consolidation. Yeah, I just don't like many of these. We can look at that for a buy. AUD/USD's got... No, we're unflagging that. We're unflagging that. I like NZD/USD for sells on a smaller time frame. If we can break this... if we can break this right here, I do like sells there. If we can break it. This is NZD/USD. So right now we're looking at NZD/USD sells, NZD CAD sells, and GBP NZD buys. This was your break and retest here on this 15-minute. I like buys here for quite a bit. Yeah, even the 4-hour looks promising. 15 minutes a little slow, but that's okay. Again, we're only 10 minutes into market open, you know what I mean? Everybody have a good weekend? Alright, I'll take a look. Give me 1 second here. Alright. So I looked at AUDJPY. It has no volume right now. But you want to do AUD CAD. I like AUD CAD for possible buys up to the EMA ribbon. So like if you wanted to go for like this, it's only 10 pips though. Like if you could see it go, it is a reversal. You could see it go for 43. I just don't like it right now with the EMA ribbon being so close. And I don't like it with... Honestly, it's just too early to tell. It's in a consolidation pattern. You see this? I mean, this is all consolidating. It's 18 days of consolidation. It hasn't done much. It hasn't moved more than 70 pips in 18 days, man. That's a long time to not have that many pips. Like, could you catch some up and down? But this is a massive, massive, massive bull flag. But you haven't got a break above or a break below to indicate whether it's going to break and test and go this way or break and test and go this way. We'd have to wait to get that confirmation either here or here if we were going to take one of those. I like the bear flag here on bear pennant, bear flag here on NZD USD and on NZD CAD. I like them both. I do like them both. Just need some volume. Oh, you know what I forgot to do here? Bitcoin? Yeah, we could look at Bitcoin. Bitcoin is rejecting a very strong area. Bitcoin needs to break the 80K mark to go. Otherwise, I'm short on it. Extremely short on it. Down to 75K. If it breaks 80K, USD CAD. There's no volume on it. I think it's going to end up selling off, but it's just not a good setup. It's not a good setup because it broke through where it would have retested and came back down. This was the zone for that. It's already up and through it. I would have liked a rejection right here for it to come back this way. And you have full candle closures above the EMA ribbon and a fair value gap created and a reversal at a key zone and an uptrend confirmed. This is actually a buy, but I don't like buying against a downtrend. You know what I mean? I'm not a fan of buying against a downtrend. The only three charts I like are GBP, NZD, NZD CAD, and NZD USD. That's it. I think I like the GBP NZD buys the best. Yeah, it does. GBP NZD especially. And if you look at the day chart, it's bullish. Overall technicals, pretty much strong buy on all these. I think we're going to get in this trade. This is what it would look like if we were to get in this right now. If we were to get in it, that's what it would look like. I personally do like it. Probably give it. I just don't like how small those 5 minutes are. Those 5-minute candles are just so small. But the overall 1 hour is bullish. Yeah, I think we're going to take this trade, guys. GBP NZD buys. Yeah, I think I'm getting in it. I'll send out the signal right now. Let's get this out in the old Telegram. Not Telegram, Discord. Gosh, it's been so long since I used Telegram. I don't know why I keep saying that. Copy. Do it on my laptop. We're in the buys, guys. On GBP NZD buys. Stop loss is 2.30058. 2.30058. Take profit 1 is 2.30627. 2.30627. Our take profit 2 is going to be 2.30902. Take profit 3 is going to be 2.31097 or 0792. 2.30. Oh, 31. I'm sorry. 31079. And then take profit 4 would be the top at 2.31309. 2.31309. I'm going to send this out right now, guys. Let's go ahead and get some of this off there real quick. If you guys are in the Discord, you're going to get the signal right now. So give me 1 second here. We'll send it to the free guys too. Mine as well. So yeah, I'm in this trade, guys. We got it a little early today, but I like this trade a lot. This is GBP and ZD. Yeah, it is a good setup. I like it a lot. Full break and retest. That's what I like the best about it. We've got your full break of structure. Here's your structure that we broke. We retested it. It should head up this way. It's a bullish chart. I like it. Definitely a bullish chart. A slower night tonight. Not many people on stream, which is fine. I'm here for the people that show up. Andrew, what's up? Yeah, no more USDJPY for a while. Dude, there's like no volume on it either. No volume on it. And look at those random ass drops. What a brutal looking chart that is. Drop, 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 drop. I mean, that's... Yeah, it's nuts. This is terrible, though. Not until we get a bear break. I mean, this is a bearish flag. If we get a break and retest right here, this thing's going down to our next zone. Yeah, there's no volume on UJ anymore. It used to have the most. Yeah, we're in GBP NZD, guys. And that is the only chart we'll be looking at for the rest of the night. How you been, Andrew? You doing all right? GBP NZD, guys. It's a good setup. You been making money, man? Did you? Oh, that's shitty. I'm sorry. I have not traded at all until tonight this week. I didn't like... Was it a weird New York session? Just one of those weird ones? That's why I just don't like New York session as much, man. I know everybody says, oh, Asian session's slow, but you find the setups in the Asian session and let them run into the London session, and it seems to work pretty well. Minus 400. Oh, shit. That's shitty, man. I'm sorry. If it makes you feel any better, the two of out of the 4 trades we took last week, the 2 that we got stopped on got stopped out by 0.01 of a pip, and the other was by 3.5 pips, and they both immediately reversed straight to TP3. So we lost 8 pips last week, but oh man, we could have been plus 200 something had I had the stop losses set a little bit higher, but gotta follow the system. Sometimes that happens. You know? I had a couple. I think I had a 10K loss, a couple of $1,500 wins. I ended up being down a couple thousand last week as well. Hey, we just hit 1,900 subscribers, guys. Thank you. Appreciate it. That's a big milestone. Almost to 2K. Once this 1 hour closes, we're going to get a buy signal on this too. So in 30 minutes. We're going to get a live. Oh yeah, someone's spamming the party icons. Let's go. But yeah, I believe we'll be getting a buy signal as well through my indicator. I got in a little early on it, but it meets all of our rules. We had a reversal out of key zone, which was down here. We have a confirmed uptrend. That's rule number 2. We have a full candle closure above the EMA ribbon with a retest of the key level that we broke, as well as a fair value gap created. This is like the most textbook setup that we could ask for. What was our stop loss? 2.30058. All right, let's get these SLs in order. 2.30058. So TP1 is 2.306, 2.30627, 2.30902, and the 3 is 2.31079, 2.31079. But yeah, we looking good, boys. Who else is in this? Anyone else in this? Jordan, what's up, man? How are you? Andrew, good shit. I'm in for 3 positions, 30 lots total. 3 10-lot positions right now, with each one a TP1, TP2, and TP3. I gotta blow my nose. Sorry, guys. Allergy season in Florida is no joke, guys. Shit is no joke. It's going to be a slow start to the night, I think. Snail pace, but a good setup. Very good setup. A plus setup, if you ask me. That's why we took it. You guys know I only take A plus setups. So that's what we're doing. What was that? Oh. $210 in commission, so you got to factor that in on the floating P&L. Actually, pretty much even. Where did I actually get in on this? 2.30455. 2.304055. That's why. That is why. Yeah, I know that, but we got in earlier than that. We got in right there. Not too much movement yet. Should we go M1 on it? Holy consolidation, Batman. Wow. Bull flag, though. Perfect bull flag on the 1 minute here, guys. Look at that bull flag. With a break. We just got the break. I do not think we got in that many minutes ago, but... It's just more fun to watch it on the 1 minute other than staring at this hour candle. More fun to trade with people too, guys. That's why we started this community, you know? See if we can get some nice movement here going into this last 20 minutes of this hour. As long as we get a nice bullish close, I'm cool with it. It's got pretty much the most volume, second most volume. And it's the only one with real structure tonight. That's a good move. It's a good move. Adele, there he is. What's up, man? Hope you're doing all right. Yeah, those drastic weather changes are tough on anyone, man. They'll kill you. Not literally, but you know what I mean. You have not been in this trade for 1 hour. When did we actually get in this trade? Let's see. At 7:23. Yes, sir. This is actually where we got in. I was like, there's no way we've been holding it for that long. There we go. Everyone's growing. We got a couple new VIP members. A couple drop down just to be on the lower. Mark, what's up, man? Fuck, Mark, bro, how you been? Good to see you, man. All right, here's the move we were looking for already. That's good coming into the last couple minutes here of this candle. Samuel, what's up, man? How are you? Hope you're having a good day too, Samuel. Mark getting back in the game. Let's go, man. Hey, it keeps pulling you back for a reason, you know? Guys, Mark was with me a couple years ago. Mark and I go back. It was one of my first community members going back to like 2023. Was it that long ago? 3 years ago? Yeah, it was like 3 years ago. Well, it's good to see you back. I mean that. Yeah, that too. That too. Yeah, I mean that's the case in a lot of times, but if you can't manage a small account, you're not going to be able to manage a big account, as you know. So, but having a little extra cushion and using a smaller lot size, but having the cushion and confidence to know that you have that extra money, it goes a long way for the mental side of trading. It does, to be 100% honest. So NZD USD CAD NZD CAD. Yeah, I'm glad we went with the GBP NZD buy. It's tough. It's tough. It's the mental clarity helps of having the extra funds to be able to just kind of coast at like one or two lots, make your couple $100 a week. Shit, last week we had two trades. One that went within 0.01, two of the four trades. One that hit our stop loss by 0.01 and then dropped down to TP3. And then another one that hit it by 3.5 pips and then dropped down to TP3. Frustrating to say the least, but we had the right idea. Just too tight of a stop loss. That was the only reason we had losses last week. Yeah, on the weekly reports. Luckily, they were tight stop losses, though, so it didn't ruin the week. Know what I mean? Getting some movement going into this hour. See what we got here. What do we have? A 1 minute dip? A little bit. We're home free once we clear that. Right there. Shouldn't say home free, but you know what I mean. Right there. Once we clear that, we'll be solid. Let's clear that little bad boy. Right now I'm using 3 different 10 lot positions, so I'm using 30 lots right now. $30 lots. Each one set at TP1, TP2, and TP3. So one of them set for this one of them set for this one of them set for this one. They all have the same stop loss. Potential of making 7.5K, 8K. Welcome everyone that's new. I see we got a bunch of people here on the vertical stream and the horizontal stream. If you guys haven't already, make sure you like and like the stream, subscribe. Mark, once we get into like right around TP1, I'll send a message out letting everyone know to move stop losses to break even, or use a trailing stop. We took the trade on the 1 hour time frame, but we can look at anything lower or higher. It was good on all time frames. All time frames were a buy. But typically we analyze on the 4 and the 1 and try and then enter on the 15 or the 5. But this one we actually entered on the 1 hour. After we had the full candle closure above the EMA ribbon with a fair value gap formed and confirmed uptrend and break and retest. That's when we entered. Coming to retest this EMA ribbon fair value gap right here. Coming to retest it, and we should see the movement toward the upside. Would like to see a green candle closure, but we shall see on the hour here. Only holding what? 3 pips, 3.4 pips. Give me one sec, guys. I gotta blow my nose again. No, I just had to blow my nose. Allergy season in Florida, man. Just allergy season. Nice, let's get a green close here on this hour. What do we get? 3.7 positive and then 3.7 negative. 3 pips either way. Not gonna kill you. Excuse me. Trading's boring once you're already in it, guys. Just managing the trade while we're in it. But set and forget. Just want to manage it while you're in it. I'd like a green close on this hour, though. Preferably closing above the previous highs. What do we got? 1 minute? Not even 13 seconds left. Should give us a new one here. Yeah, we got strong buys across the board here. Should refill this wick minimally. Yeah, there we go. There's a couple of them. There's a couple of them. This needs to be moved. No, hold on. First one is 2.30627. 2.30627. And we broke what we needed to break, so I can get rid of that yellow line. That's what we wanted to see break, was right there. And we broke all previous highs for the past 6 hours, which is nice. It's a positive. Excuse me. Oh, we held above this fair value gap pretty nicely, which is good. And we already broke and retested the EMA. So that's why we got in it. Andrew, who has the best swing tutorial for 8 wedge? What do you mean 8 wedge? Like an 8 iron? Or a 58 degree? I actually played today too. Teed off at like 8 a.m. Finished at like 11:30. Well, I mean, you have to compress the ball. You got to compress the ball. If you don't compress the ball and hit the center of the face, you're not going to get backspin. That's the key right there. From here to here at the bottom of your swing, right there at the bottom, that needs to have the speed and accuracy just from here to here. I don't care what you do back here. I don't care what you do in your follow through, but from here to here, you got to be club face square, wrists hinged forward, get some shaft lean in there. You'll get backspin on it. Repetition, just like anything else, you know. This thing's trying. It's trying hard. A lot of movement. Good volume so far. When I say a lot of movement, I mean at least there's movement this early into the Asian session. Approaches are tough, man. It's a lot of touch. Shaft lean, good contact, and speed. I didn't play very well either, if that makes you feel better. I haven't touched a club in like months, though. All that feel goes away after a while. Yeah, I ain't worried about this. Especially if we close green on the 4 hour. Okay, well, that's also a problem. You got to have low expectations if you only golf 4 to 6 times a year. You know what I mean? Can't expect yourself to go out there and be under par if you only play 4 to 6 times a year. I used to play 3 times a week, man. 4 times a week. Used to is the key word there. That's a wild take. Really? Not the biggest fan of disc golf. I'd rather just play regular golf. But hey, to each his own. Everybody's got their own things they like. Just 1 minute chart looking like. Alright, let's see what we're doing here. Yeah, this is what I like about the this chart here. So we had our bear flag. We broke it. We retested it. Broke it again. Looks like we're going to retest again. Bull flag. Did I say bear flag? I'd say bull flag. You may see this left shoulder, head, right shoulder to there, but it's on such a small time frame. It's like a psychological level on the one right there. This whole area right here. Two dojis wouldn't kill us. Yeah, it's close like that. We're good. What is this? 4 pips. 4 or 5 pips. We're only holding what? We're holding 2 pips. 2.8 pips. Just 2.8. Yeah. On the 1 minute? Well, there's the move we were waiting for right there. It's a good move there. On what time frame there, Mark? On this one right here? Isn't that the beautiful thing about trading? You can go down $900+ to in profit within a minute. Yeah, this time frame. It's wild, isn't it? We were literally minus $900 right here 1 minute ago. Don't you just love trading, guys? Yeah, I agree with you. The problem is W's finished right here. Like, this would be your end of it. Because it never was up here, you know? Like if it was up there for something like this. But the overall time frame on where we took the trade was the 1 hour. That's what I'm liking. This is so bullish. Yeah, I think so as well. Yeah, you need that. Is that better for you? Mark, if you there's two streams going too. Oh, nice, we're $1,000 in profit. There's two streams going. There's a horizontal and there's a vertical. If you're on your phone, turn it sideways and you can do the horizontal stream. They're both on my channel. The horizontal stream you can see like my entire screen. The vertical one's hard to get the whole screen in. But is that better? We're just waiting for one first. Good movement though. If we can get a bullish engulfing on the 4 hour too, that would be fantabulous. gosh, I gotta stop doing that. This one's just more fun to watch. $763 in profit. 900. See this thing move up a little bit. Tell you what, TP1 is right now we're 7 pips in profit, but TP1 is a substantial amount of pips, like 18, 20 pips. A little over 1K. Off how many pips is that? 8 pips. Yeah, 8 pips. Certainly doesn't hurt. There you go. I personally don't care about ratio RR. I think it's BS kind of, but this is a hold on. 1 to 2.28. Yeah, 1 to 2.28. I think it's got to be more than that, but I guess, yeah, 1 to 2 ish. I don't care about RR, and I know it's such a controversial topic. I do not give a shit about RR. I know many traders, including myself, who have had negative RR trades that have made money. And a lot of people will say, "Oh, that means you just can't get your entry correct." It's like, I don't need to have a sniper entry every time. I just need to have the right direction and the money to hold the account, to hold the trade. Yeah, I mean, I try and go for minimally 1-to-1, but like I said, I've had some where I was going for instance, right here, if we would have got in right here, right? Our stop loss, I would have had my stop loss right here. And say I was just going for 20 pips, which would have been right around here. I have no problem holding down to that key level, knowing that I would have had a 90 pip stop loss to make 20 to 50 pips. It's going in that direction. Will it pull back? Maybe, maybe not, but it's going in that direction. Like at the end of the day, as long as you use the correct position sizing, you don't over leverage your account, and it ends up going in the right direction at the end of the trade, however long it takes you, shouldn't really matter. That's my theory on it. That's my belief. What do we got? Let's see here. So we broke. It's probably going to come retest this area. Then it should go again. I want to break that 2.30528. But consolidating above the ribbon and the fair value gaps is always solid. And we broke it. Yeah, not worried about it on the one though. This 1 minute chart's just more fun to watch. We're trading on this hour. This is a great hour candle. I feel like 1,500 in profit. Almost 10 pips. 9.3 pips. Oh, look at that.
You spent 2 hours deciding what to wear to the party.
Here we go, guys. We had 2 grand yet? Let's go. What are we? 11.6 pips and moving. 11.8 pips in profit. We're about to get a new 15-minute candle too. I'm probably going to close one position here. What do we at? 2 grand? Close one of the 3. We'll see. Give it a second. Little drawdown coming into this new 15. Just give us 18 pips. Ten seconds here. We get a new 15-minute candle. Nice. Nice fair value gap created there on the 15 as well. Very nice. Very nice. Nice. Oh, we got a couple new people today in VIP just now. Welcome, guys. Gertha just joined. Oh, there we go, baby. Push. Push, push, push. Let's get us to TP1. Oh, yeah, this thing's buying up. Let's go TP1. TP1, I'm closing one position, maybe two if we hit TP1. Probably just one. And then I'll probably move stop losses to break even. Yeah, maybe. Or move trailing stop up to the bottom of this fair value gap right here. Or right below the EMA ribbon. Let's go. 15.8. We need like 3 pips. Almost 3 grand in profit. All right, push. What's the one look like? Shave top. This thing should go. $1.9 pips away. Might as well just take it out, but boom. Come on, smack it. Let's go. We're less than 1 pip away. Oh, I hit it. I already hit TP1, guys. Let's go. Banked it. I hit TP1. Let's go, guys. Already took profit of... on the week. Just took $938 in profit just now on TP1 alone. Still running 2 grand in profit. So almost 3 grand. All right. That's it for me tonight, guys. Fantastic stream. Everybody who joined, thank you. It's good to see everybody. Mark, good to have you. Andrew, good to have you. But we're going to end this stream how we always do, guys. Let's go. Great trade, guys. We're winning live on stream. TP1 smacked. Let's go. Congratulations, everybody who just hit that. Manage this trade for the rest of the night. You can do it how you'd like. I would personally move stop losses to either trailing or in profit. That way you guarantee yourself profits. I'm going to send that out now. What was the total pips on that? TP1 smacked for 18 plus pips. Reply TP1 smacked 18 plus pips. Move SL to BE if you would like for a risk-free trade. Yeah, let's go. Very nice. W's, Willie Wilson FX. W's, Henry, Andrew, Mark. There you go. That's a textbook trade. Hour and a half in and out for $900. Still got another $2,200 in profit. It's the way we want to do it here, guys. That's the way we want to continue to do it. Oops. Let me edit that real quick. It won't let me edit it. Just delete that. All right, guys. Have a great night. I appreciate everybody joining. This thing's moving. Manage your trades. Use proper risk management from here, but you should have already made money tonight, guys. Good stuff. Enjoy the rest of your night. We'll see you tomorrow. Peace.